Hello everyone, Sally Camp is sick and she has a cold and she has a plugging nose, and I gave her medicine. It was a grape chewy medicine, yeah, that you chew on, and she said it tasted good and tasted like candy, but they're not candy. It's like medicine, yeah, those chewy medicines, okay? And she's gonna say, okay, so here she is, and she can't breathe because she has a plugging nose, and her nose is stuffed. And they put something on her nose. Yeah, and I hope she feels better. So yeah. Okay. So bye YouTube. Got you. See? There she goes. She has a cold. So bye-bye, YouTube.